In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield fluid nozzle on your 4th gen Honda Odyssey. All right, first things first, we are going to pop the hood. All right, so looking under here, I had none coming out on my passenger side, and as you can see, this had snapped off and it is stuck here in the tubing. And then this one has kind of just a weak flow, so we are gonna go ahead and replace both. So I picked these two off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to check them out. But they were just a little bit cheaper than OEM, and they got like a lot of good reviews, so I figured I'd give them a shot. So let's go ahead and show you how to install them. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is, first off, we're gonna try to get the plastic out of here, and this should be fairly easy. I'm gonna go ahead and compress this with just a pair of needle nose pliers, and this plastic should just kind of come out. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and just, you can see it kind of coming out there. Just like that. We'll have to wipe that off later. It just kind of disintegrated, kind of hard to tell, but you've got the play in here now. You'll be able to install the proper piece. Now that we got the hose taken care of, what we're gonna have to do is pop the nozzle out itself. So you'll see there's these two pins here on either side. We're gonna compress both of these, and then we are gonna pull it out of the top right over here. So like I said, just take your needle nose pliers, compress it like that. And then it just comes off like that. And obviously we want to see if we have close to the right part. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and just take the new piece here and compare it to the old piece here. So as you can see, this is kind of what we're working with. This is gonna work perfectly because this is gonna slide in like this, and then the tubing's gonna come right in there. We were just gonna get this, slide this in like that. Just like that. Trying not to get my hand in the way. We're gonna take this hose and kind of run it right in here, all the way up there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to test it, because since this one was broken before and there was no, pressure there since the hose was off, there was really light output here. This one is perfectly fine. So what I'm gonna do is test it now that this is reconnected and make sure this is good. If not, we're gonna go ahead and replace the other one. Right now, let's turn the car to accessory. And okay, so it's shooting a little high, so let's go ahead and re-aim the new one. Okay, it's gonna be a little hard to tell, but what I'm gonna do is take a flathead screwdriver and just slightly adjust it. Let's go ahead and try that now. Okay, so that's just a tad too high, so we're gonna go ahead and adjust it just a slight bit lower. So that works a lot better. We don't have as much spray up here. I might need to do slight adjustment, but you kind of have the idea. I'd like to see this when I'm driving to see exactly how it performs. Obviously, this is in a garage with no wind or draft or anything like that. So go ahead and take the time to figure out exactly where you need to adjust it and get it right. But overall, the installation is very simple, and I hope now you guys can do it yourself. If you have any questions, drop them down below.